Those who are watching this video, the rain was so heavy and strong just a while ago. Now I am shooting the sky. The rain stopped now, and the sky is getting brighter and brighter again. Every seconds when you see and look around in the existential life just around you is already a miracle. And seeing the space so vast and so limitless. What is happening around you? This is life. Since this is life, we human beings share a piece of life in this huge, vast cosmos where we are living, planet Earth. Give attention to this because it supports your life. It sustains you. The rain that fell down to the ground will give nourishment to you because the plants are watered and we are eating the plants. That's why give attention to existential life around you. And the most important to give attention to is the very life that you are. Science cannot totally explain everything. That's why giving attention in focus. You are a scientist of your own way of giving attention, being conscious, and being aware of life existence. Thank you for watching these moments with me. Thank you very much. Give attention to the life that you are because you have only it once. experience life around you. Be life conscious. Be aware conscious. Go beyond just sensible being. Be a life conscious. Be aware all the time.